Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be discussing why the Twitter downvote option is missing for you. So I don't know if you heard, but the downvote feature or the dislike feature on Twitter has been making an appearance on some accounts according to a few articles that I read. So as you can see on my specific Twitter app, I don't have the downvote feature available, and there can be many reasons why you don't have the latest features such as the downvote feature yet. So one of the main reasons is that you just don't have the latest update of Twitter. So if you're on an Android, you can go to the Google Play Store, go to the search bar, search up Twitter and see if you have an update. So I don't have an update currently, which could mean that the next update I get could have the downvote feature, but it also has to do with your location. So when Twitter tests out new features, and this feature is in testing mode, when they test out new features, they don't roll it out to everyone all at the same time. They roll it out to select accounts first, and then they see how the people interact with the feature. If they like the feature and getting use out of it, then they roll it out to more and more people, and eventually they roll it out worldwide if they like the new update. So all you would have to do, there's no tricks or hacks to try and get it quicker. All you would have to do is keep your Twitter app up to date at all times, and you should see the feature pop up for you in the next couple of weeks or however long it takes for them to roll it out to your account. But it is location based, and where you live is a factor in determining if you get new features. So I hope this cleared it up for you. If it did, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.